is cold today. It is for sure boost weather. Got a clean BRZ over there. Bro, I lost traction. Got a G80 M3 right there. Clean. I like it. Is that a dummy? Yeah. What's up, brother?
I'm outside in the AMG, right outside.
Can't really do a hard pull because two things. One, I still need to get retuned. Salo said don't really push it on the new motor yet so I get a retune with the motor, but I'm just gonna wait until we do the fuel system because it doesn't make sense to retune twice when I'm gonna do a whole new fuel system with Georgie. And two, I need new tires. So the RAARs that I have on the car right now are completely shot. Like, they're spinning. Like before, they would never spin at all. They're like down, not down to the wire, but they're definitely low now. So I need to get new RAAs soon. I hit up my boy Yuli at his tire shop. He's gonna hook it up pretty soon. So, but that's why I can't really do a real pull. Like right now, I was just doing like a quick little 20 roll kind of, and just like that, I was spinning. So can't do crazy pulls right now. The thing is pulling so much harder, and bro, having the open wastegates, it just makes this car so much better, so much better. Oh, I love it. You can just hear more of the car, like, and then the backfires are insane right now because you can hear it from the wastegate and the back of the exhaust too. So like, it's just, I love it. I definitely love it, bro. I can't imagine how 700 horsepower is gonna feel, because this is only shit, it's probably like last time we dynoed the car, it was 470 to the wheel and then 450 torque. So basically 500 horsepower, and this thing feels insane. So I can't imagine how 700 horsepower is gonna feel like. Oh man, that's why I want to make sure I do everything right, have the proper tires and everything, just to be safe, because I'm already spinning tires right now and this is only 500 horsepower. So for sure I might switch to a drag pack. We'll see how the R trip blades hold up. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna get R trip blades for the front and the back. It's the G we saw on the freeway. Cool. Boost gauges. Alright, very far looks pretty good. Oil temps, coolant temps. Man, and then I use the manifold absolute pressure to see how much boost, how much PSI we're actually pushing. So I see how much we're making, and I subtract it by a number, and that gives me how much boost I just made. So yeah, and then the IATs as well. A lot of people ask me why I don't have gauges. I use my phone. I like it. I feel like it's just more, I don't know, sleeper, and kind of hide it instead of like when cop pulls me over, you're gonna see all the gauges right here. I just kind of like having it